I know a little bit about my family, but I wanted to know more. Were we related to anyone cool? Maybe superheroes? My mom and I started learning about amazing people in our family together. When someone special stood out, I took things into my own hands. So, with a little help from my parents and sister, I give you the real-life story of my relative, DORIE Miller. This is Kidsplaining. I'm about to tell you the 100% accurate story of Mom's great-uncle, DORIE Miller, the Pearl Harbor hero.
All right, Cassius, let me stop you right there. DORIE and my grandma were second cousins, which means he's your second cousin 3 times removed.
Okay, that makes sense. The story starts in Texas. Back in Texas, DORIE was a quarterback. Awesome, right?
Wait, I think he was a cornerback, not a quarterback.
A corner?
Defense, not offense.
So that was Texas. DORIE joined the Navy and lived on the USS West Virginia. West Virginia. One of the only jobs a black person could have was a cook. Not only was DORIE a good cook, he was an awesome boxer. And later became the ship's heavyweight champion.
Oh, wow!
So that must tell us that he must be strong and brave.
Oh, yeah.
In Hawaii, it was December 7th, 1941, and he was doing laundry. Something horrible was about to happen. An attack. But they didn't need that. They already had a volcano to deal with.
True.
Out of nowhere, the alarms went off. And they heard bomb. People were saying, "Run for your lives! Run for your lives!" He's all chaos. Everything was exploding. There was smoke everywhere, and it was horrible. Fire, smoke, here, there, everywhere. Ships were sinking. Planes were exploding. Next, he ran into Lieutenant Commander DORIE Johnson, and he told him, "You are our strongest man here, so now you must go help save our captain." So DORIE ran over to Captain Mervyn Benyon, and he carried him to a safer spot, but he would not leave the ship. He told DORIE, "I am the Navy captain, and this is my Navy, and I will not stand down just because of a silly attack. I will stay here and stand strong." Next, he ran into Ensign Victor Dileno, and he said, "I can see potential in you. I know you only cook, but will you help me shoot down planes?" And guess what he said?
What?
Yes?
He said yes. Everything that he had ever done had prepared him for this. From playing football to being a chef, just to be here right now. It was crazy, so he was ready for it. And they shot down as many planes as they could. And so they kept at it, and 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 they kept at it. And so finally, they fought off the enemy and saved so many lives. 5 months after the attack, he was awarded the Navy Cross. He was the first black person ever to be awarded that. And so because of the impact DORIE had, schools and even parks are named after him. And get this, he had a ship named after him, the USS Miller.
I mean, after this whole story and everything, what does this all mean?
I think that what we can do with his heroism is and his story is give it to people. And let them know that they can do anything that they put their minds to.
Yeah!
Thank you, all of you. Wonderful. Thank you. Action. Thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe to see more videos and click on the link to learn more about your family history.